Dear brothers and sisters, we meet number of people and sometimes we say, oh, that guy is a hypocrite. But do we know who are the hypocrites? What are their qualities? How can we judge them? Our leader, the last Prophet ﷺ, stated in 8.117 hadith in Bukhari, which is reported by Abu Huraira radiallahu anh, that Prophet ﷺ said, the sign of a hypocrite are three. Whenever he speaks, he lies. Whenever he promises, he breaks his promise. Last but not the least, when he is entrusted, he betrays and proves to be dishonest. Any person having these three qualities, what are those? When he speaks or talks, he tells lies. When he promises, he breaks the promise. When you give him something as an amana, as a trust to him, he cheats and becomes a dishonest. Then this is a confirmed hypocrite. May Allah save us from this sin. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala